I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On Android. First, you'll need an emulator, which is an application that mimics a classic gaming console. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for a Nintendo Entertainment System, or NES, emulator. Popular choices include John NES or RetroArch. Make sure your device has at least 50 megabytes of free storage for the app. Next, you'll need the Super Mario Bros. Game file, known as a ROM. A ROM is essentially a digital version of the original game cartridge. While many sites offer these, it's important to only download ROMs for games you legally own. Use your device's web browser to search for Super Mario Bros. NES ROM and download it directly to your phone's Downloads folder. With the emulator installed and the ROM downloaded, it's time to play. Open your NES emulator app. Look for an option like Load Game or Scan for ROMs. This will prompt you to browse your device's storage. Navigate to your Downloads folder, select the Super Mario Bros. ROM file, and the game should then load, ready for you to enjoy. Once the game loads, you'll see virtual on-screen controls. These usually include a directional pad and action buttons, just like the original NES controller. Most emulators allow you to customize the layout and size of these buttons in the settings. For an even better experience, consider pairing a Bluetooth game controller. Now you're all set to jump, run, and rescue the princess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.